I'm back again today with another video. It's me, the beat maker. Today I'm going to be making Birmingham trap beat today. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on your notification bell below so that anytime I drop new videos you will get notified. I'm going to launch my FL Studio properly to start making Birmingham trap beat today. I'm just going to put my cursor here, right click and press open. I'll put my cursor like this, right click, press open. Now it's loading. My FL Studio has opened. As you can see, I have opened my FL Studio. Easy like this. Now I'm going to click on add here. Then I'm going to this add. I'm going to pick my plugin called Harmless. I will left click and hold it. Turn the channel 6 on my channel rack. As you can see, this is my channel rack. Then I'm going to click on this icon and click on preset. Then I'll pick this one called Royal Brass FG. Then I'm going to right click and press piano roll. I'll start programming my Birmingham trap beat now. I will just keep it simple like this. I'm just going to left click and hold it, turn it to the left and press Ctrl and B to copyright the bar number 8. I'm going to click on add now again and pick this plugin called FL Keys. I'm going to left click and hold it, turn it to channel 6. Alright, I will then right click and press piano roll. I've created 2 bars pattern on my Birmingham trap beat. I'm going to left click, pull it, turn it to the left and press Ctrl and B and copyright the bar number 8. Then I'm going to click on slot 1, the last melody, and add fruity reverb 2. I'm going to click again on slot 2 and add a fruity parametric key 2. I'm going to click on slot 1 again and add a fruity reverb 2. Then I'm going to click on slot 2 again and add a fruity parametric key 2. Then on my hi-hat, I'll start programming my hi-hat now by right clicking and press piano roll. I've highlighted. I'm going to copy the bar number 8 by pressing Ctrl and B. And then I'm going to turn up my hi-hat. On slot 1 on my hi-hat, I'm going to add the sound organizer. On my snare, I'm going to right click and press piano roll. Then on my kick, I'm going to drag in my kick on channel 1 on my channel rack. Then I'm going to right click and press piano roll. I'll start programming my kick now like this. My kick, I click on this bow knob icon, then I'm going to turn it up like this to channel to mix to boost the gain at 85%. I'm going to turn on my kick and master. When my cursor into my screen, I'm going to click it like this. Swap left and right channel like this. Where I've written part 1, I'm going to right click and press and just press split by channel. As you can see on the left corner at the top of my FL Studio on my screen, you can see my kick, my hi-hat, my snare, my first melody, the Royal Brass FG, the FL keys. I'm just going to click on my kick like this. Drop it to my playlist. This is a simple way to follow and create good beats like me. And the hi-hat here, I'm going to click on my hi-hat, drop it into my playlist, click on my snare, drop it to my playlist, click on my Royal Brass FG, click into my playlist and click my FL keys, drop it into my playlist. After doing all this, I'm going to highlight it, make it longer to create space and intro and outro by pressing by like this. Just like left click and hold it, highlight to your left and press Ctrl and B. I'm copying it now, and then I'm just going to erase this part of the beat like this to create space for an intro like this. Then I'll just play the beat now and copy it again. I'm going to highlight it again and press Ctrl and B. Then I'm going to remove the hi-hat here and remove the snare here. On this first melody, I'm going to right click and press automation clip. On the last melody, I'm going to right click and press automation clip. On this hi-hat here, I'm going to put at the end of my intro, I'm going to add a hi-hat here. Then I'm going to add a hi-hat here, and at the starting point of my outro, I'm going to add a hi-hat here. Then I'm going to turn up my master channel. My first melody, I'm going to click on slot 3 and add the 50 multi-band compressor. Second melody, I'm going to click on slot 3 and add the 50 multi-band compressor. my Birmingham trap beat. Thank you so much for watching how to make Birmingham trap beat. Now we are going to listen to the Birmingham trap beat from the start to the end. Let's go. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and see you next time in another video. This is how to make Birmingham trap beat. See you next time.